Alright, welcome back. So in this video we're going to use a while loop to create a program that we're going to add some numbers together. And we'll just do like 3 or 4 numbers. So the first thing, we have our scanner set up, but we also need to initialize a few variables here. So the first one we're going to call it count, and that's just going to be a 0 because we're just going to start that off. This is what we're going to use in our while loop to keep track of how many times it goes through the loop. Then we're going to also keep track of sum, so this is going to also be 0. Then we initialize it here. And then we're going to do one more, and this will be what we're going to take in from our scanner. So when we ask for a number, and we'll just call this num, and we're going to make that 0 as well. Okay, so those are initialized, and then we're going to go ahead and create our while loop. And in our while loop, what we want to say is that so long as count is less than 5, we're going to go ahead and run that loop. Okay, so while it's less than 5, we're going to go ahead and have our loop work through this. Okay, so this should all work right now. If we were to run it, it would run just fine. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and ask our question here. Enter a number. Okay. And then the next 2 things we want to do is we want to take that number, well, we first want to create our num, our scan. Okay, oh, and I gotta don't forget to do that here. Okay, so now what we have set up is as we run this, it's just going to go ahead and collect a number, and we're going to add that number to our sum, like that. So now in our program here, if we can kind of separate these out a little bit. So while the count is less than 5, we're going to go ahead and say enter a number. It's going to then take that number, and we're going to collect it, and we're going to add it to our sum, which is currently 0. Okay. Now the reason why I initialize num up here is you got to be careful with these while loops, especially with any programming language, but Java, just like most of them, is if I don't initialize this up here, and let's say if I initialize it inside the loop and it doesn't actually enter the loop ever, and I end up printing out that later on, well then it's not going to recognize it. So think of it like these variables that you have up here. If you initialize them in here and create them, the program doesn't understand what you're doing with them outside of the while loop. So I just initialize them up here so that throughout the whole program they're initialized, and I can use them and print them wherever I want to. Hope that kind of makes sense. And then also we want to take our count, because if we do not increment this, if we do not make this go up, it will always be 0, and our while loop will just run over and over and over and over and over. And we don't want that. So we're going to say that count is going to be plus plus. So that's just going to go up by 1. So each time it's just going to go up and continue to increase. And then once that's done, we're going to go ahead and print out let's print out the sum Okay, so that should print that out for us. So once it's all done, so it's going to go into this loop, it's going to say, please, enter a number, and then it's going to go ahead and collect that. We're going to add that to sum, and then we're going to have count go up by 1 because we want to continue to increase this. So eventually when we get where it's greater than 5, it will stop and exit out of that. Now it's going to enter here as 0, so actually I want it to go 5 times, or 5 numbers, so I should make this 4 because it'll do the 0 attempt, the first attempt, second, third, and fourth. So it's really, that's 5. Alright, let's go ahead and give this a try, see if I made any mistakes somewhere. So we enter a number, we'll just keep this simple, we'll say 5, enter another number, 5, let's make 8, so now we're up to 18, we'll do 4, that should be 22. And I have a spelling error there, so the sum is 22. So actually, there was just 4 numbers, so I do want to do this less than 5, because it doesn't actually do, if I did less than or equal to, then it would do that. We'll run it one more time, just see if we get the correct number. We'll just do 5. Should be 25, and there we go. All right, so this is how you can use a while loop to kind of use it as like a calculator almost, and you could actually, this number you could actually have entered from, you could ask a question up here to have how many times they want, how many numbers they want to add, and you could plug it in here. In this case, we just chose, 5, and we're going to start at 0, but you could do, whatever you want with that. But using the while loop really makes it kind of handy in order to add numbers together. You could do this multiply as well. Maybe you don't want to sum, you want to multiply them or divide them or subtract or whatever you'd like to do. But this is how you can use a while loop to accomplish that. Hopefully that helps you with your coding. Good luck.